About this item: enjoy hi-fi music. iSkey auxiliary to iPhone audio cord made with nickel-plated connector and built-in powerful DAC chip that delivers optimal signal with lower distortion, providing high-fidelity stereo audio output and the cleanest sound experience. Enjoy your fantastic music trip by using this auxiliary cord for iPhone 2023 newest version. The auxiliary cord for iPhone 13 adopts the newest chips. It can support all iOS versions, including iOS 10/11/12/13/14/15 and later. This cable is compatible with multiple devices, such as iPhone 13, 12, 11 XS, X876, iPod Touch, iPad mini/iPad Air/iPad Pro. Now you don't worry, your iPhone appears IT doesn't support this product. Ultra durability 15,000 plus bend lifespan is several times longer than most auxiliary cords, soft TPE, making this auxiliary cord for iPhone 12 be a flexible and long-lasting cable. It's lightweight and convenient to take around. No worry about the winding, knot, or kink. Plug and play, no need any driver or external power, just plug and play. Easy to connect and use. The auxiliary cord for iPhone 11 allows you to enjoy high-quality music anytime and anywhere. Great for home and travel. Professional service for this Lightning to 3.5mm auxiliary and charger cord. iSkey provides lifetime replacement and technical support. Stop working? Sound quality problems? Regarding any issue, welcome to contact us for a perfect solution. PLS Note 1. Not support for phone call. 2. If the product cannot be used, please try to upgrade your iPhone iOS version. If the version is too old, the product may not be recognized/incompatible. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: enjoy hi-fi music. iSkey auxiliary to iPhone audio